Hello, grade 2. How are you? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? If you hear me clearly, write yes in the chat. Okay. Do you see the share screen? Okay. Let's start with lesson 96. The apply part. 82 minus 57. Let's present it 82 minus 57 by many square and sticks. 82. Do we have any numbers in hundreds? Do we have any numbers in hundreds? Do you hear me clearly? There is any problem in the voice? Okay, let's continue. We don't have any numbers in hundreds, so we will not present it anything in hundreds. 82, 8 in tens, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in tens and 2 in ones. 2 many squares. 1, 2. And 57. 5 stakes in tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 7 in ones. 7 many squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't open your book, just focus with me. No, don't open your book, just focus with me. Can write it with the record session. Okay? Let's subtract 2 minus 7. Do we have more on the top? Hey, do we have more on the top? No, we have more on the floor. So what we should do? Go to next door and knock, knock, knock. Can you give me one, please? Yes, of course. So we will go to 8 and 8 will give me 1. Here, I will take 1 stick. And this is 1 stick. Give me how many squares? Yes, 1 stick equals 10 many squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 many squares. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. 12 many squares. And here 8 becomes 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I have more on the top. So now I can subtract. 12 minus 7, count from small to big. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers? Yes, 5 fingers. So I will cancel 7 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 12 minus 7 equals 5. Here we have 8 or 7. 8 or 7 hand. Who can tell me 8 or 7? Intense. Excellent, Omar Hussein. Muhammad Mahmoud Sadiq. Hamza, very good. Yes, I canceled 1, don't forget. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7. 7 minus 5. I will cancel 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the remainder will be 1, 2. 2 sticks. So 82 minus 57 equals 25. Very good, Rania. Very good, excellent. There is any problems? Easy or not? Okay, Farah, okay. Let's move to math journal. Reflect in your learning. Do you remember? More on the top. No need to stop. More on the floor. Go to next door and get 10 more. For example, 32 minus 19. 2 minus 9. Do we have more on the top here? No, we have more on the floor. So go to next door and knock, knock, knock. Can you give me 1, please? Yes. So 3 will give me 1. 3 will be 2. 2 it will be, yes, 2 it will be 12. 12 minus 9, after 9, 10, 11, 12. 3. 2 minus 1 equals 1. So 32 minus 19 equals 13. Subtraction with regrouping. 754 minus 548. Ones with ones, and tens with tens, and 100 with hundreds. 4 minus 8. Do we have more on the top? Hand. Who can tell me? Do we have more on the top? No. Very good, Salah. Very good, Amr. We have more on the floor. So go to next door and knock, knock, knock. Can you give me 1, please? Yes, of course. So I will go to 5. 5 will give me 1. So 5, it will be 4. And in ones 4, it will be 14. Now I have more on the top. So now I can subtract. 14 minus 8, count from small to big number. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 6 fingers. 4 minus 4 equals 0. 7 minus 5, after 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? 2. So 754 minus 548 equals 206. Very good, excellent. Very good, Farah, Hala, Omar Hussein. All of you excellent. Number 2, 554 minus 438. Who can help me to solve this one? Who can help me? Omar Hussein, do you hear me?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you help me to solve this one? 554 minus 438. We start with what?
Once.
Ones. Very good. 4 minus 8.
We have more on the top, so go
We
to
have
5.
more on the floor. We don't have more on the top. So we go to next door. Very good. And knock, knock, knock.
Can you give me 1?
Yes, of course. 5 will give me 1. So 5, it will be
4.
4. And 4 in ones, it will be
14.
14. Very good. So now we have more on the top, right? Omar.
What?
Yes, now we have more on the top. So now we can subtract. 14 minus 8.
After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6.
6. Very good. How many fingers? 6. 4 minus 3.
6. 1.
1. 5 minus 4.
1.
1. The result will be
116.
very good, ya Omar. Excellent. Thank you, Omar. Number 3. 587 minus 442. Very good, ya Kenzie. Excellent. And who can help me to solve next one? Khadija. Khadija, do you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Can you help me, please?
Yes.
Okay. We start with what?
Ones.
Ones. 7 minus 2.
Equals
We have more
9.
on the top or more on the floor?
More on the top.
Are any problems in more on the top?
No.
No. More on the top? No need to stop. 7 minus 2?
Equals 9.
Khadija. 7 minus 2.
Okay.
Take care.
Equals 5.
Excellent. Equals 5. Very good. 8 minus 4
Equals 4.
equals 4. Very good. 5 minus 4
Equals 1.
equals 1. Very good, Khadija. Excellent. Thank you, Khadija. Very good, Farah, Huda. Very good, excellent, Hala. All of you excellent. Number 4, 247 minus 129. Hey, who can help me to solve this one? Kenzie, do you hear me? Kenzie, do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Can you help me to solve this one, please?
Yes.
We start with what?
1.
1. 7 minus 9.
After go to next door. Go to next
Excellent,
door.
Kenzie. Very good. We don't have more on the top. We have more on the floor. So we must go to next door and knock, knock, knock. Can you give me one, please? So 4,
Yes.
it will be
3.
3. And 7, it will be
17.
17. Very good. So 17. Now we have more on the top. So we can subtract easy. 17 minus 9.
After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8.
8 fingers. Very good. 3 minus 2
Equal 1.
equals 1. 2 minus 1
Equal 1.
equals 1. The result will be
118.
very good, Kenzie. Excellent. Very good. Thank you, Kenzie. Let's move to lesson 97, the apply part. Estimate the difference. Then model using your place value. Next, draw the problems and subtract and record difference. So first, we will estimate these numbers, okay? And find the result. Then we will subtract this problem and compare the result number, the result estimated number and the final number, okay? 173 minus 48. First, we will estimate 173. Who can tell me 173? Estimated 2, 100 or 200? If we see estimate only, we will use rounding strategy, okay? If we see estimate only without front end estimation, so we will use rounding strategy, okay? Very good, Yalayan. Hala, very good. So 173, it will be 200. 48, it will be 40 or 50. No, ya Salah. Salah, focus with me. That's not 100. Here we have 173. 7, 5 or more, go to next door. So we will go to next door. And as we learned before, if we estimated to nearest 100, so we will go to next door, it will be 200. Okay, Salah? Very good, Omar, Hussein, Layan, Kinda. 48 estimated to 50 because 8 more than 5. So go to next door. 200 minus 50 equals 150. That is the estimated result. Let's make 173 minus 14.8. Let's subtract 1 in hundreds, 7 in tens, 3 in ones. 48, we don't have any numbers in hundreds. So 0 in hundreds, 4 in tens, 8 in ones. We start with what? Yes, we start with ones. 3 minus 8. We have more on the top? No. We have more on the floor. So go to next door and knock, knock, knock. Can you give me one, please? So we will go to 7 and 7 will give me 1. So 7, it will be, yes, 7, it will be 6. And 3 in ones, it will be 13. So now we have more on the top. So we can subtract easy. 13 minus 8, count from small to big after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 5. 6 minus 2, minus 4, sorry. 6 minus 4 equals 2. 1 minus 0 equals 1. So the result will be 125. So if we subtract the estimated number, the result will be 150. And if we subtract the problem as it is, the result will be 125. Okay? There is any problem? Easy? There is any problems? Okay. Number 2, 148 minus 29. 148 estimated to what? Okay, Adam. Adam, now we start with this number and estimated it. Okay? And subtract it. Okay, focus with me. Focus with me. Now we have problem number 2. 148 minus 29. First step, we will estimate 148 and estimate 29. Okay? Okay. And find the difference between these two estimated numbers. Okay? As we learned it in rounding estimation. Do you remember? Very good, Hala. Excellent. Hala, this is 148, not 184. Okay? So, first step, we will estimate these numbers and find the difference between these two numbers. Let's make the first step. 148. 148 between 100 and 200. And the neighbor is 4. 4 less than 5. So go to next door or stay in the same door. Yes, excellent, Hala. Now you correct. 148 rounds down to 100. 29. 29 between what and what? Very good, ya Farah. 29 between 20 and 30. And the neighbor is 9. 9, 5 or more. So we will go to next door. So 29 rounds up to 30. 100 minus 30 equals 70. That is the estimated numbers. The result, 2 estimated numbers. Till now, there are any problems? Till now, all of you understand this step? Okay, Salah, focus with me, Salah. 148 يا صلاح. Okay. Salah, we estimated these numbers as we learned in rounding strategy. Do you remember? 148 between what and what? Between 100 and 200. The neighbor is, look at 10th digit. 4. So 4 go to next door? No, 4 stay in the same door because it's less than 5. So 148 estimated to 100. Okay, Salah? You understand this? The first number? Then we estimated 29. 29 rounds up or down? Rounds up to 30. That is rounding strategy. So 100 minus 30 equals 70. So in this step, we just estimated. We just use rounding strategy to estimate these two numbers. Okay, Salah? Now you understand? Let's go to second step. Second step, we will make subtraction easy. You will put these two numbers, 148 minus 29, as we made before. 148, 1 in 100, 4 in tens, 8 in ones. 29. Do we have any numbers in hundreds? No. So 0 in hundreds, 2 in tens, 9 in ones. We start with what? Yes, we start with ones. 8 minus 9. Do we have more on the top? No, we don't have more on the top. So we will go to next door and knock, knock, knock. Can you give me one, please? Yes, of course. So 4, it will be 3. And 8, it will be 18. So now we have more on the top. So 18 minus 9, count from small to reach the big number. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many fingers? 9 fingers. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 1 minus 0 equals 1. So 119. Very good, ya Farah. Excellent. This page is homework, okay? These 4 problems is homework, okay? Don't forget your homework. Let's move to lesson 99. Work with your teacher to solve subtraction problems. Problem number 1, 456 minus 39. We start with what? Yes, we start with ones. 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9. Do we have more on the top? Do we have more on the top? No, we have more on the floor. So go to next door and knock, knock, knock. Can you give me one, please? Yes, of course. 5 will give me 1. So 5, it will be 4. Yes. 4 in hundreds, 5 in tens, 6 in ones, and 0 in hundreds, 3 in tens, 9 in hundreds, in ones, sorry. 5, it will be 4, and 6, it will be, yes, very good, Hala. 6, it will be 16. So now we have more on the top. So 16 minus 9, after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers? 7 fingers. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 4 minus 0 will be 4. 417. Okay? Very good, Muhammad. Very good, Farah. Very good, Hala. All of you excellent. Number 2, 456 minus 189. 4 in hundreds, 5 in tens, 6 in ones, and 1 in hundreds, 8 in tens, 9 in ones. We start with ones. 6 minus 9. Do we have more on the top? No, we have more on the floor. So go to next door and knock, knock, knock. Can you give me 1, please? So 5 will give me 1. So 5 will be, it will be 4. And 6 in ones, it will be 16. Very good, excellent. Now we have more on the top. So we can subtract easy. 16 minus 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers? 7. 4 minus 8. Now we have more on the top. Focus with me. 4 minus 8. Now we have more on the top? No, we have more on the floor. So we will go to next door again and knock, knock, knock. Can you give me 1, please? So we will go to 100, 4, and give me 1, 4. It will be 3. And this is 4. I will cancel 4, and 4, it will be 14. Okay, I will cancel 4. So 4, it will be 14. So now I have more on the top. Let's subtract easy. 14 minus 8, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 6. Very good, Yalayan. Excellent. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 267. Very good. Excellent. All of you excellent. Number 3. 831 minus 251. Farah. Farah, do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, can you help me, please?
Yes, of course.
Okay. 831, 8 in 100, 3 in tens, 1 in 1.
103 and tens and 1 in 1.
Okay.
2 minus 8 and 5 minus 3 and 1 minus 1.
Okay, we start with 1's Farah. Take care. So we say 1
Okay.
minus 1. 1 minus 1 equals
0.
0. 3 minus 5.
We can't.
We
We
can.
go
Very
to the
good.
next door. Yes, we go to the next door and knock, knock, knock. Can you give me one, please?
Yes,
We
excellent.
take
Very good.
1, the 3 is
It will be
13.
first, Farah. First, we will go to next door. So 8 will give me 1. So 8, it will be
7.
7. Very good. And 3, it will be
13.
13. Very good. So now we have more on the top. We can subtract easy.
Yes.
13 minus
After
5.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
How many
8.
fingers? 8 fingers. Very good. 7 minus 2.
Equal
Yes.
after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5.
5 fingers. Very good, Farah. Thank you, Farah.
Thanks.
Excellent, Muhammad. Kadi. Farah. Farah Bilal, very good. 580. Are any problems? Very good, Salah, Hala, all of you excellent. I'm so proud of you all. Page 82, homework, okay? You will write these problems and solve it by yourself, okay? Don't forget your homework. Let's move to math journal. Reflect in your learning. What have you discovered about regrouping? I learned that subtraction with regrouping is the easiest way to subtract big number problems, okay? For example,